the beginning of the baby's new life outside mother's womb. So we were talking about the rituals carried out during birth and their significance. So we talked about the disposing of the placenta. We talked about cutting of the umbilical cord. The third one was prayers of thanksgiving are offered to thank God and the ancestors for the new member of the community and the baby's protection. The fourth is seclusion of the baby and mother, seclusion of the mother and the baby. And this was the reasons for seclusion of the mother and the baby, to allow the mother to heal, to protect the mother and the baby from evil eyes, to allow the mother to win the baby, allow the mother and the baby to bond. Another ritual carried out during birth and its significance is there's dancing and singing to celebrate the newborn child and the mother, shaving the mother's and the baby's hair to mark the start of a new life. There were elations to announce the gender or the sex of the baby. The baby is given a sweet and bitter substance to taste the goodness of the big part of life. The baby is given sweet and bitter herb to taste the goodness and the bitter part of life. The baby is birthed to mark the beginning of a new life. Protective charms are given to a baby and the mother to protect them from evil people. Choosing an appropriate name for identification or incorporation in the community. Here we're saying choosing of an appropriate name for identification for incorporation in the community. Holding of the baby to signify concern and shared responsibility. The role of midwives in traditional African societies: to educate and advise pregnant mothers on how to take care of themselves, to monitor the development of the pregnancy, to provide medical care, to assist the mother to deliver or ensure safe delivery, to correct minor abnormalities on a baby, to announce the sex of the baby, to clear the new baby. They organize for the safe disposal of the placenta, to provide postnatal care to the mother and the baby. Naming. How are names given in the traditional African society? The problems the parent faced during birth. According to a time of the day or weather seasons, the place of birth, named after great leaders, after important historical events, named after powerful animals, named the revealed physical features of the baby. They were given religious names out of the parents' choices, according to their genders. Twins had special names. They were named after departed relatives. Significance of naming: gives identity to the born child, reflect the personality of a child, to bless the child, to give thanks to for their new baby, to give thanks to God for their new baby, to welcome the baby to the community, to link the living and the dead. It is a sign of continuity to the community. It's a sign to teach the culture to the youths. It's a sign of remembering, honoring the ancestors. Showed that the child was accepted in the community. Reflects some special historical events. Brings unity among members. Changing attitudes, birth and naming today. Birth and naming aren't a communal affair. The sex of the child is not announced through relations. Doctors and nurses have taken over the roles of midwives. Some rituals are no longer performed. Wearing protective charms is no longer a common practice. Pregnant mothers are no longer secluded. Pregnant mothers attend antenatal clinics, The names of the children nowadays are unisex. Moral value inculcated during birth and naming. Respect the child and respect. The child and the traditions are respected through performing rituals. Love, through the acceptance of the baby. The community shows the appreciation of the life. Obedience. Community comes together to perform rituals as the customs dictate. Mutual responsibility. The mother and the baby are taken care of. The parents are obliged to take care of the child. Unity or harmony. The people come together to celebrate the child of a new child. Patriotism. The people name their children after community heroes. Endurance or perseverance. The mother is praised during childbirth pain to bring forth life. The mother is praised for enduring childbirth pain or bring sorry the mother is praised for enduring childbirth pain to bring forth life. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.